Hey guys, how are you? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to be talking about how you cope with anxiety when you drive. I think it's really important that you set a purpose when you learn how to drive. You want to take deep breaths, cleanse the body, cleanse the mind. That is so important. You should close your eyes for a few minutes. You want to relax your muscles, and then as time goes on, you're going to visualize what you need to do. Slowly release the breath. Don't breathe in anxiety and stress. Breathe out success and freedom. Driving is so important here in the United States and around the world. When you learn how to drive, you can become independent, right? Your mom is going to see this. Your dad's going to see this. You will get that better job. Most of you are taking driver's ed your junior, senior year in high school. You might wait till your first and second year in college because of COVID, and maybe driver's ed is very expensive. So you have to focus on the things that are super important. Next, practice mindfulness. It's Friday. It's a beautiful Friday. We give thanks for making it through the week. We're here to help people be successful. I'm here helping you be successful and reduce that anxiety. You don't want to pay attention to things that will hold you back, sight, sounds, or smells. You want to get that fresh bagel, that fresh coffee, right? You want to be around positive people that are going to uplift you. I'm very positive, and hopefully I'm uplifting all of you to get your license, to get your permit. If you're over 18, you need to go to Secretary of State and get your TIP. Your TIP is called your Temporary Instruction Permit, and you're going to get that. Then you're going to practice for 30 days. You're going to watch some of my videos. Then from there, you're going to go ahead and be successful and pass that test. So it's really important that you have a plan in mind. Next, stay focused on your target. Your target is to be successful. I want you to be successful. I want you to reach your goal. And when you're successful and you reach your goal, you're going to elevate to the next level that you can. It's important that you continue to elevate. You got to get plenty of rest. I think the most important thing is we and underestimate getting sleep. Sleep, your body rejuvenates, your mind rejuvenates, you physically rejuvenate. I have that beautiful glow, right? You have a beautiful glow. Have the glow and be successful. Getting adequate sleep is extremely important. Unplug and relax an hour before bedtime. Read a book, take a bath, meditate, listen to soft music. I love listening to music. I need you to visualize. I'm a big visualization person. I truly believe in it. I visualize in being successful on this platform. I visualize in helping all of you get your license. I visualize one day, perhaps maybe owning a driver's education business. Those are some of my goals. This has been my lifestyle for a long time. I need all of you to understand this. Be on the platform a quick minute here. So, visualization is important. Visualize getting good grades in high school, getting a scholarship, getting an athletic scholarship. Visualize maybe playing pro baseball, pro football. Don't visualizing having your own successful social media platform. Visualize those goals. I need all of you to take a breath back and visualize. Close your eyes, imagine a relaxing scene, right? Adding details, even better, pair yourself with deep breathing and you're relaxing. This is bringing you value. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. I need you to exercise. Go for that crispy walk. That is so important that we are active. A lot of times we're sitting down all the time. We're living that sedentary lifestyle. All of you who are watching, you're young, you're middle-aged, get out and walk. Get out and get some fresh air. Drop the phone down, drop the screen down, walk your dog. Get out there, get your mom and dad out. Walking makes you appreciate your life. You get a chance to see your community, see people, and that's so important. Physical exercise reduces stress. It releases chemicals in your body called endorphins that make you feel good. Ride your bike. Do yoga. Right? Shoot some hoops. I still got a mad crossover and I can still dunk on most of you right now and take a long walk. So being active is so important. Try guided meditation. With guided meditation, a voice helps you relax, helps you focus. Guided meditation, they are available. They're streaming services, right? I'm thinking about putting some things together like that. Just let me know. So that is so important. If anxiety is affecting your schoolwork, you need to find out what is causing the problem. You might have to change a class. You might have to change your seat. It's really important that all of you reach that goal and become successful and live your best life. Occasional anxiety is a part of life. I'm not going to pretend it's not. It's a natural reaction for situations that are frightening or stressful. A start to a new school year, waiting to hear if you passed your driver's education test, right? Did you make the team, right? Have a client, hopefully after the draft, this person could end up going to the NFL, the Houston Texans. There's some other NFL teams that are looking at the client. So we're mentally focusing and preparing for that opportunity. I want to share with you that joy, the journey, the grind. And I do care about what all of you say and how all of you feel because we want to be successful. And success happens with hard work. If you want to become good drivers, you need to be watching my content. You need to be asking questions. I am a state certified driving instructor. All of these things can and do make us feel nervous and a little bit of anxiety. When you feel anxious, our bodies tend to react and release adrenaline, which can cause your heart rate to increase, which can cause your hands to sweat sometimes. Most people, the feeling of anxiety goes away in a few minutes, right? I am so nervous I have to take my test. Can you give me any tips? The first tip is believe in yourself. The second tip is take a deep breath. I take you through the journey. I'm taking you through the journey now. This is why this is breaking news. This is a beautiful Friday. If you're overly anxious, sometimes people suffer from anxiety that is persistent, right? The anxiety affects the well-being and interferes with your day-to-day lives. These people often worry about and become excessively nervous or fearful, right? Having difficulty sleeping or concentrating, feeling irritable, restless, or on the edge. Okay? If this sounds like you need to talk to a counselor. You need to talk to your doctor. You need to talk to your driver's ed instructor so I can develop a custom learning plan for you so you can be successful. What is a panic attack? A panic attack is the sudden feeling of severe fear. or distress. A person who's having a panic attack may feel like they're having chest pain, nausea, sweating, shaking, intense feelings of fear, and a feeling like something physically is wrong. So a lot of times students, when they first get into the car, they have this panic attack. What do I try to do? I support them. I open my hands, I give them support, I help them, I get them in the car, I show them how to adjust the seat, how to adjust the mirror. I give them positive affirmations. If you've seen my content, and you have, and you better be following, and you better be subscribing, and you better be leaving comments, and you better be coming on my live, I give you the plan for success. Why? Because I'm a firm believer in being successful. I'm a firm believer in getting better every single day. Hey Ashley, how are you? I'm a firm believer in elevating, in growing. It's so important that we get better every day. You have to punch fear in the face, and don't let yourself dwell on the negativity, because there are always negative people around. It could be your mom, your dad, your sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Take a step back and analyze the people who are in your inner circle. I'm in your inner circle. Hopefully you're thinking about me. Hey, how's he doing? Hey, when you putting out the new video? I really like the blue screen that you're doing, right? Because I want you to feel like I'm bringing you value. And I want you to feel like, wow, I feel really good today because I heard some positive words today, and I really feel inspired, because that's how I am every day. I want to say I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.